at it. Oh my gosh, let me zoom out a bit. Oh my gosh, guys, look it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amanda. So we all know everything hair is hella in right now. Hair extensions, hair pieces, wigs, but usually they're pretty fucking expensive. Am I right? Like a set of extensions can run you hundreds of dollars. Wigs, synthetic wigs, lace front wigs, human hair wigs can run you hundreds of dollars too. But we ain't getting into none of that nonsense today. Oh no. Yo girl found, bam. Yes, they are hair pieces from the dollar store. Oh yes, we are gonna be testing these out today. My hair has product in it, so today might not have been the greatest day to do anything that I might have to like rip a brush through my hair, but we're gonna make it work. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't ever want to miss another video, and you might as well follow me on all my socials. Those are linked down below. So I think the first one I'm gonna try is this fishtail braid. So I've already cut the tape on each side because that shit just like, I can never get into it. It's like dumbass proof or something. And of course there is directions on the back, but pff, we don't need that. We can figure it out. So it comes just like a wig would come with that stupid fishnet thing on it. So when you take it out, wow, it's really long. Look at that. Wow, like it's almost as long as my whole arm. That's not too bad. And on the inside, it has like one of those clips right there. I don't know if you can see because it's like black on black, but there's the clip there. And it's also got like one of those elastic drawstrings right here with the little lock closer. So what this is the two clips clip into your ponytail, and then you just tighten that string around your ponytail, and then you have this beautiful, luscious braided lock cascading down your back. And looking at this piece, this might actually be absolutely stunning if we could like take the braid out and have it all like loose hair. I don't know if that's even possible, but I do see on the inside of this little like wig cap, I guess, that all of the tracks are sewn on. So yeah, I am going to grab a hair tie so we can slap this bad boy in my head. Okay, so I did a quick spritz through my hair just so I feel like it's a little more manageable. So confusing. Okay, I think we found it. So I have a hair tie. I'm just gonna attempt to get my hair in like a higher ponytail. Okay. Whoa, what a difference. Now I'm like, bing, bald. That's pretty much on a bun up on the top of my head. So it's like, that is what we're working with right now. I'm gonna take the two little clips on the top and bottom. Let me do a little tucky here in the elastic. Perfect! Nice little bun. And then those clips in top and bottom. And I'm gonna grab that little drawstring. Oh, okay. And then we're gonna have to hide the elastic string. So I'm just gonna wrap it around. Oh my gosh, okay, I got it on. It feels like really, really secure. Just ignore all of the like crazy little bumps and stuff like that. I teased it today and stuff. There's hairspray. Not a pretty picture. So here is the ponytail from the front. I think it's so cute. And it's like, even at the end of the braid here is like really fucking thick, you know? So like it's really cute. So here is the back. It feels like really secure. It's got like a nice braid detail all around the top and stuff. Oh my gosh, Dollarama, you might be onto something. I think this is hella cute actually. Oh my gosh, and it doesn't feel like it's from the dollar store either. Like, I am so surprised. I'm a little nervous though to take the braid out. Like, what happens if it ruins it? Or what if I have this amazing ponytail extension? Oh my gosh! Who knows though, right? I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna take it out because this is too stressful. That's not what we're here for. We're not here for stress. No, no, no. Oh, where'd that thing go? Oh my gosh, that elastic. Oh, where did it go? There we go. Okay. Okay, crisis averted. There we go. Take the clips out. Dun dun! Look at it, it's so easy. So I'm gonna take my hair out. Oh! What the fuck did I do? Oh my gosh, like look at that. Look at that knot. Oh, it's so bad. What did I do? Okay. I got it. Oh, okay, here we go. Next hair piece, this is the volume bump or ponytail. So this guy here has a two purpose, and it also has one of those hairnet things on it. And this one is all loose hair. It's like a little toupee. This guy is the same type of construction. It's got tracks sewn on. This one only has one comb on the top, and it also has one of those like elastic drawstrings. This one I might need to read the directions to see how the hell do they mean this bump thing. Okay, so okay. So this, I have to do a half up, half down thing. So the girl in the box has like this type of thing, okay, you know, like a side ponytail, but leaving some out. And then like that much, leave that down. This up in like a high bun, okay. Oh, isn't this a sexy look? Like, oh yeah. The hairpiece is going to be like a different texture of my hair altogether because my hair is hella curly and the hairpiece is like silky smooth, straight. Yeah. So I'm gonna take the hairpiece, the clips right there, put my little hat on. Oh wow, it sure does add a bump. Wow, it doesn't even fit in the frame. It adds major volume to your hair. Like, you know, if you had like shorter layers up here and you just blow dried it all up and out, that's kind of like what it's giving me. I'm going to show you the back. So this is what the back looks like. So I feel like it does cover the hair that you put up here. I hope it looks okay because I have no idea. It might look like total shit, I don't know. I just decided to do a little voiceover of this part because I don't really want to spend any more time on this stupid volume bump. Let's be real, it looks stupid as hell, so we're gonna move on. Let's try this as a bun though. I'm really curious to see it. So I'm gonna take this out and again put all of my hair in a ponytail. Ugh. So excuse me while I put my hair up. Maybe I'll make a bun first. Okay. So let's bun that shit. Let's get a hair tie. around it. So there's my wee little bun. Ain't she cute? Then I'm gonna take the clip and the little drawstring, stick the comb in the top, fold the rest down so I can tighten the drawstring. There we go. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, I get it. So it's just like a freaking ponytail. That's all. It's just, instead of having your hair showing, you have this hair showing, you know? So actually this looks probably the best. You know, it's just like having it in a ponytail or like a spin and then the clip in it, you know? So here it is. It's got like that little end curl in it. So not too shab. I'd probably try to like have some of the curls like going out and all over the place, like this side. Like, you see how cute that is? But like this side curls like right under perfectly. Anyways, that's what we're working with. Oh yes. It's pretty secure too once you like tighten the drawstring and stuff. I'm gonna rock these hair pieces like all the time if I don't want to do my hair. No, I'm just kidding. I'll just throw in a wig instead. I'm actually waiting for a few wigs to come in so I can do a like wig video. So yeah, let me know if you're, you know, if you're into wigs and stuff like that, and if you have wigs, and you know, comment section. Anyways, so let's take the ponytail out. Are you ready? Here it goes. See that elastic? Bye. Oh my gosh! There's no turning back now. Oh my gosh. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it feels so luxurious and thick. Oh my gosh, great idea. Look how nice the hair looks. Okay, so I'm gonna take the little side braids out. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I took it out. So freaking happy. Like, this ponytail is fucking cool. Oh my gosh, and it looks like the texture of my hair. What? Oh my gosh, okay, I'll put it in like this now. Oh my gosh, dollar store DIY ponytail extension. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, where the fuck did I put that hair tie? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get this whole hair tie up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And drawstring. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at it! Oh my gosh, let me zoom out a bit. Oh my gosh, guys, look at look at that ponytail. Look at from the back. Might be a little tangly. I'm sorry for that. I can't see the back. Oh, is it on good? Yeah. I would probably add like a scrunchie around it. Let me just do that. Hang on. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. Okay, like this is magical. I am in love. Like, look at that. Ah! It's so beautiful. Okay, like, so I threw a scrunchie around like the top or the ponytail. What the fuck am I talking about? So like, see, it goes all the way, you know, like a ponytail does. Look how beautiful this ponytail is. Girl. This, nah. That fishtail shit, that's gotta go. They just gotta take it out. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. Look at it. Oh, and it's still as secure as it was, you know, like when the fishtail was in. And what's nice is it's a good quality synthetic hair, and it doesn't get tangled like ridiculously easy like some like synthetic wigs do. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm just gonna sit here and stare in the fucking viewfinder and this mirror all night. My goodness, it's probably like 12:30 right now. Your girl, it's time for bed. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this camera adjusted and back to normal. There we go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, something magical happened because we just made this beautiful ponytail extension out of this. Well, let's admit it was pretty cool, but so much better totally taken out. Oh my gosh. And this is beautiful. And let me know down below any other like requests, video ideas you want me to do because I'm down. I'm down. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, okay? Because I'm watching. Okay, I'm watching you. Follow me on all my social medias. Those are also linked down below. I make shit pretty easy for y'all, okay? So as a thank you, subscribe. You know what I mean? You know I love you guys so much. And until next time, bye guys.